Hello everyone, welcome to this new video on Gradients Plus. In this video, we are going to discuss a bit about SNAP 2020 and the B schools you can get through this exam. So, we will start with how to go about this exam and what strategy needs to be followed in order to crack this SNAP 2020. And to know more about the top B schools you can get through this exam, keep watching this video. So as we all know, the SNAP pattern has been changed and now it's just 1 hour exam with 60 questions to solve. So let us look at the question paper pattern. So as we can see, in the SNAP 2020, we will be having 15 questions from English section, 25 questions from LR, 20 from quants, and that will make up to 60 questions, and you have total 60 minutes to attempt all these questions. So this is basically one question per minute, where you will get +1 for a correct response and -0.25 for each incorrect response. So trust me, it is going to be very difficult to manage the time, and it's going to be tricky as there is no time for recovery if you get stuck in any particular question for long. So how to develop the strategy and how to attempt the question paper? So there are few tips that I would like to give here. First is don't overspend your time on any question, or don't get stuck to any question for long. If you can't crack it or can't solve it, don't take it on your ego and devote more time on any question. It will only harm you. Second, reading speed. As we have 15 questions from English, reading speed is going to be crucial. And if you read fast and comprehend fast, you can save few minutes in your English section that you can devote to the quants or the LR section. Third point is the puzzles. Make sure you attempt the puzzles at last, no matter how easy they look at the start. I have seen students fumbling in puzzles and end up wasting a lot of time. So no puzzles at the start or the middle of the exam. Solve only at the end of your exam. And the last one is calculation speed. No matter how good you are at the conceptual level, calculation speed is going to be crucial in this exam. Hence, make sure you brush up the tables and shortcuts that you have studied over the period. Now let's talk about the top B schools you can get through the SNAP exam. So the ranking I am referring over here is the MDRA ranking 2020, and as you can see, about top 20 colleges are listed over here. So through SNAP you can get Symbiosis, SIBM Pune, and SCHMRD. So in SIBM Pune you will have about 180 seats, and same is the case with the SCHMRD. But the tricky part is about 50,000 students write SNAP every year, and you have about 360 seats to convert. So that becomes little tricky about SNAP. Coming to the placement scenario of these B schools. So the data I am referring over here for placements are from the placement report from the respective B schools. So for SIBM Pune, the median is 18.5, the mean is 20.14, and there were about 87 PPOs in 2019, which is about 46% of the total batch, which is very good. Talking about SCHMRD, the median package would be 15, mean package would be about 16, and in 2019, there were about 70 PPO, so that's about 40% of the batch, so that is also a very good thing. Now, how are we going to help you? We will be starting a group for group discussion, case discussion, personal interview, along with VAT and SOP writing training. If you want to be part of it, you can reach us on this number. I have also updated this number in the description box for your reference. Also, if you have any queries about any B school or general MBA questions and its preparation, you can connect with us on the WhatsApp on the same number. Thank you.